In this video, I'll show you how to set up same-day direct deposit payroll in QuickBooks. First, log in to QuickBooks Online and open your company. Next, go to Payroll and open Payroll Settings. Now look for the Direct Deposit section and make sure Direct Deposit is enabled for your business. After that, complete the required bank account verification and enter the information QuickBooks needs for payroll deposits. Next, review your employees and make sure each employee is set up for direct deposit with the correct bank information. Now, check whether same-day payroll is available with your QuickBooks Payroll plan. If it's available, select the same-day option when setting up or running payroll. After that, enter your employees' hours, pay rates, and any applicable deductions or additions. Review the payroll carefully, including the total payroll amount and employee payment details. Next, submit the payroll before the required cutoff time shown by QuickBooks so the payments can be processed on the same day. Finally, confirm that the payroll was submitted successfully and check the payroll status for updates. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up same-day direct deposit payroll in QuickBooks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.